Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you getting error message in your Instagram account? Or you can't access Instagram account? Guys, there are several things that could be the cause of your Instagram not being able to open. Starting from applications that experience errors, problems caused by your device, server downs, and so on. If you have trouble accessing Instagram on a smartphone, don't worry, because there are a number of ways you can solve this problem. So in this video I will show you a simple step to fix such issue. So let's get started. Simple: uninstall your current apps. After uninstalling, open any browser and search by Instagram older version. Now enter the following website. And from here download Instagram any one older version. After downloading, install it. Now log in your Instagram account. The problem will be solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get my update video. Thank you for watching.